how you can give a second life to an old tire.
You need an old tire, a piece of plywood, some sisal rope, a hot glue gun, and a clear varnish.
Let's get started. First, attach the plywood onto the tire using a hot glue gun. Make sure you press this down firmly. And what I have here is a 1/2 inch thick plywood. Next, I'm going to attach the rope onto the plywood. I'm going to twirl the rope, firmly press it down. Now I'm almost done covering the top. I'm going to continue to cover the rest of the tire. So now I have finished covering the whole tire. The last and final step, I'm going to give it a coat of varnish. So I have applied a few coats of varnish. I'm going to just let it dry. And there you go, your stylish ottoman.